Hi everyone, this is Aruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my lecture series today, we're going to see about the relational algebra. Before watching this video, see my previous video. In that, I have detailedly explained about the relational model and their integrity constraint. So, what do you mean by relational? Relational is nothing but the schema. So, a schema can contain definitely related data sets. So, how we can query this one? How we can represent it in a mathematical term? So, that type of a thing only we can call it as a relational query language. A relational query language, we can call it as either it can be a procedural or a non-procedural, and also we can call it as a declarative. And also this one we can call it as a pure language. It can contain three things. One is we can able to define procedural language in three terms. I can go for relational algebra representation, or I can go for tuple relational calculus or domain relational calculus. So in this thing, I'm going to explain only the relational algebra that only specified in your syllabus. The next thing is a relational algebra. Before going to this thing, what is a procedural language? It is consists of set of operation that takes one or two relation as an input and produce a new relation in the result. That can be called it as a procedural language. And also relational algebra mainly provides the theoretical foundation for the relational database and the SQL. Before writing a query, definitely they have to define it in the relational algebra. It will have a six basic operator. One is a select, project, union, set difference, Cartesian product, and the rename product. These are the basic operation of the relational algebra. First, we're going to see about the select. So what do you mean by select? Select is nothing but selecting the tuples. So that tuples must satisfy the certain predicate. For that only we can call it as a select operation. So this can be denoted by the notation called as this is a sigma sign, or we can solve a dow P of R. Here P is a selection predicate. For example, I'm giving the query as select those tuples of an instructor relation where the instructor is a physics department. See here, this is my table. A table can contain ID, name, department name, and salary. In that, I have to choose only the physics department. So for that, I have to select the instructor table. In the instructor table, I have to define the department name equal to physics. So that we have to give like this. Thou select operator, my condition. Here I have to check the condition is a physics department. So department name equal to physics, from which relation? So here I have to give a relation, that is an instructor. So see the notation. This is an operator. Well, this is a selection predict. That is a condition to select it. So here I have to give department name equal to physics for the relation instructor. So through that, here you are having a two physics department. So that both faculty ID along with the salary, it will be displayed like this. For this particular purpose only, we are using a select operator. The next thing is inside the select operator, we can use the comparison operator also. Here we are giving the equal to sign. Equal to sign is nothing but the comparison operator. There you can check these type of a symbol. Equal, not equal, greater than equals, less than equal to. These are everything we can call it as a predicate. So inside the predicate, if you want to connectivities, we're going to combine two things, means we are going for a and, or, and not operator. For example, find the instructor in a physics which salary is greater than $90,000. So here I have to check the two things. I have to choose the faculty belongs to physics department, and also their salary is greater than $90,000. How I can give both the condition I have to check. So I can go for an AND operator, select department name equal to physics and salary greater than 9,000 from the relation instructor. This is how I can able to retrieve the data. For example, second thing is comparison between the two attributes. Find all department whose names is same as their building name. If department name is equal to building, from the department name, so you have to display the list. So this is the how a select operator can be used inside the relational schema. So in my next video, I'm going to explain about the remaining videos, remaining operation in detail. Thank you for watching my video.